Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be unboxing a 2021 Hot Wheels. This is really cool. I've been waiting a long time to get this one open. The Toyota AE86 Sprinter Trueno. And I had to search up how to pronounce that. That's the actual proper way to pronounce it. Trueno. It's a really awkward word to pronounce if you're speaking English. But it's from Hot Wheels Drift, number 1 out of 5. Love the series. AE86 is a really cool car. 31 of 250 for 2021. Got this on my Target, and probably like 6 months ago. I mean, I've had this for a while when the G case was out, and GTC 14 is the number. So the first edition came out in this Hot Wheels Boulevard series for 2020. It was a white one with real riders, and then early 2021 came out with a beautiful blue one, and then a Zamac one. And now they're coming out with this one, and then they're going to come out with more in the future in the 2022 mainline and stuff. Clean open. Got some nice rims on this one. Barely any glue on the packaging, so I was able to keep that a nice clean open. And it has a Falken sponsor on it. Those are OH5 wheels you're looking at right now. Open hole 5 spokes. And it looks like a piano design, but it's just a Falken design. The Falken design's usually green and blue, but now we got it in black and white, and it looks really cool. And what is that? 086 on the side. And has a bunch of, it has Formula Drift on it in Falken. Right there. You can see all those. I'll give you a nice look at those tampos. Just a cool casting. Flip up headlights. More sponsors. Falken Tires. That's what Falken is, tire company. Very small wheels I've noticed on this one. This one has small wheels. But they still spin very well. A nice look at this Toyota. The Corolla line. Beauty. Here's the back of it. Not much to look at on the back. You can see the inside. I think that's a spare tire. Interior. You can see the interior. Base is plastic. 2020 copyright on the casting. And just a cool drift car. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe to the channel for more if you don't want to miss out on these unboxing videos and review videos. And if you have any suggestions for a video idea, please let me know. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.